Hey folks, just wanted to talk a little bit about the research process. Now, one of the things I was hoping that you guys would get to in the discussion last week was the notion that all the research papers you guys have traditionally been asked to do asked you to make a statement and then give a bunch of information that supports that statement, okay? Argumentative, persuasive research papers typically take that form. Even informative research papers, like, here's everything there is to know about this subject. Research, however, is really about asking a question, finding an answer, and then presenting that answer in your paper. Okay, so Wayne Booth is a now long dead scholar of composition. Broke this into four parts: a practical problem, a research question, a research solution, and a practical solution. So a practical problem is something we deal with on a day-to-day basis. We would develop a research question out of it. For example, a practical problem might be too many people dying in car crashes. A research question might be what's the best way to reduce T-bone crashes at T-bone intersections. Okay, and we do some research to find the research solution, and then we be able to extrapolate a practical solution. That practical solution might be we need to do this to more intersections. Okay, for essay 3, you guys are just doing the middle two steps, the research question, the research solution. There is no practical problem or practical solution for you to worry about right now. The research question is this article accurate? Really simple, okay? Is this article accurate? And the solution is either yes or no, and here's the evidence that shows us. So we're sort of doing just this little mini part in the middle, these two pieces, going from step 2 to step 3 for essay 3. I'm going to come back, and for essay 4, we'll go through all 4 of these steps. You'll start with a practical problem and end with a practical solution. But for essay 3, and we've already laid that question out for you. Is this article accurate? Yes or no, and why? Okay? If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.